Good morning, everybody. This is the tutorial for Tuesday, April 28th. I'm just going to go through our list of activities today and explain them as they happen in order on our calendar. So today, the first thing you're going to do for math is watch a Brain Pop Junior video. The kiddos really like these. We watch them all the time in our classroom. This is the username and password you will use. Honestly, I don't know if it's case sensitive, but I would just pay attention to the capital M in Martin and the lowercase letters for the password. So I'm going to go ahead over to Brain Pop. And I'm already logged in because I was just in here testing it out. So you would just click the login button at the top. You're going to come over here to this icon of Moby. Make sure that you are in Brain Pop Junior. Okay. And then in the search bar right here, you are going to start typing basic parts of a whole. And you'll see that after you start typing, it shows up in the list. So you're just going to click right there. And then you will see this icon. You'll click on it and it'll show you the video clip that I would like you to watch for today. Okay, so you'll click there and play the video. And then you're going to do your math pages 754 to 756. You can take a picture of those and upload that to Seesaw. I have included in today's activities that you'll see in Seesaw that it says 754 to 756. If you could please add those pictures here, that would really, really help me keeping everybody's work organized, and it's easier for me to keep track of. So you'll just click Add Response. And then you can use the camera button to add pictures. If you already took a picture of it on your phone or your tablet, you will just select those pages and upload them that way. If you didn't already take a picture of it, you can click this camera button and click Photo, and it will use the camera on your device, or if you have a webcam, it will go to your webcam and you can kind of just hold the book up in front of the picture, and then upload your pictures that way, or the pages that way, and then you'll click on the green check mark over here, and you'll be able to see the pictures kind of load over here on the sidebar. Okay. All right, so that took care of math. Today we have the retelling cards. I noticed that some students still like to do the cut and paste and others still like to do the activity in Seesaw. That is perfectly fine. I will link Seesaw again really quickly right here. I know you can get to it up above, but that's okay. So you can click Seesaw and do the sorting activity. Just to kind of show you that one more time. You will click on the Add Response. The directions are right here if you didn't notice already. Add Response, and then you'll click the little hand button to move the pictures around, and then click the green check mark when you're finished. And I'll show you what that looks like. This is the hand that you're going to click on to be able to move the pictures, and you can move them in order. I am not putting them in order, just so you know. If you can't read them, you can use this button to kind of zoom in a little bit, and it makes it a little bit clearer for you. Once all the pictures are sorted and in order, you'll click the green check mark, and that will send it to me. Or, again, you can use the camera button and upload a picture here, please, of your student's work. It just keeps it more organized on my end so I don't miss any of your students' assignments. I have also attached the story again if you need it. If you don't want to access the story via Seesaw, you can just, again, click on these blue letters over here, it's a link to the story in YouTube. And lastly today is the emoji spelling. And that page is in your packet. It is labeled Tuesday, April 28th at the top. And it's just a fun activity for your student to do their spelling words with. You can click Add Response again and use the photo button to upload a picture of their work. I've also had students use the text box feature and just type in their words if they didn't want to write them out. Whatever way is fine. It does not matter to me. I just want the students to be seeing these words and using the spelling pattern for the week. So either one is perfectly fine. And that is all for today. If you didn't get in Reflex or Raz Kids yesterday, today's a fairly light day. So if you have extra time and you want to do that, you can. And remember, you don't have to do these in any sort of order. You don't have to do math first, then reading, then spelling. You can do them in any order you wish. I hope that this tutorial helped you out for today. Have an awesome day.